The thing is that mining has been ongoing for decades. For decades, as far as we know it, mining has been happening throughout Guyana. However, in 2006, the 2006 Amerindian Act then enforces the rights, your rights over your village land. Then we had a land titling process, and then you got ownership to your land. But the issue is that before that, long before that, land were being awarded by GGMC to minors. Long before that. And in Chinese landing case, for example, the issue is with Vera and the community. The land, those 4 blocks that were given to Vera was given since in the 90s by Vera when we checked the records. It was awarded since in the 90s. However, many years after that, they would have acquired their title or the ownership of the property. And the 4 blocks were included in the demarcation or the boundaries of that village. I don't know what happened then, but if I had the opportunity at that time to be involved in the process, I would have excised that area out like we're doing now. Because when we're issuing land titling now, myself and Minister Pauline and other ministers are working together to ensure that when we issue a land title to a community, there are no encumbrances. And that is how it should have been. That there is no legitimate mining claim or permit, there is no forestry concession. Subsequent to the land title, Vera went to GGMC to pay for the mining permits. GGMC refused to accept the money because now it is a title land. Vera then took GGMC to court. He won in the court. He went to the appeal. We appealed it. He won in the appeal court. We took it to the Caribbean Court of Justice. He won at the Caribbean Court of Justice too. So it's not that we as government or I as Minister of Natural Resources don't want to act, but we are bounded by the law and we are compelled to act on the decision made by the Caribbean Court of Justice in favor of Wayne Vera on the Chinese landing matter. However, representation was made by Toshaos from Region 1 to assist Chinese landing and the people of Chinese landing, which we will, because they're Guyanese, they're our people. We couldn't act on Vera because of the court matter. That's the reality of the situation. And if you go and check, if you check the records, you will see what I'm telling you is factual. Right? So it's not that we didn't want to act, it's not that we don't care about the people of Chinese landing, but we were compelled to act in that manner because of the Caribbean Court of Justice. But we will work with the people of Chinese landing and we will assist them. As a matter of fact, under the former Toshao Orin Fernandes, I think it was his name, I had extended the the opportunity for him to acquire 2 blocks for the community to do village mining. And I think that application is still pending tomorrow. So we still have that application at GGMC. I think it's only for the Toshao or the leader for Chinese landing to go to GGMC now and to complete that application.